Aratheus, please. Our general cleaning, I'm going to be announcing. Our general cleaning is on Saturday, on the 31st, and we are doing public schools. I'm going to be posting the schools that all of you are meeting in 36 states. Please, now that one is important to me now. We need to do well for our society and our public schools. Our public schools are failing. The ones that we need to build back, we go build them small. The ones that we need to do chair, we go do chair. This one don't play. If you play gun learn, you will learn the hard way. And like, go they believe Linus. Person then a Linus. Bye bye. You're gonna learn. And I start. I'm coming in it.